do is we are going to start by taping our watercolor paper so it doesn't move when we are working on it. You can use masking tape to do this, okay? On Lake George. I will be using a ruler to help me. So this is the first line. If you're doing a paper that's smaller than the image that you're seeing, make sure you're trying to keep everything on proportion, okay? So now that we have this sketch, we will work on the painting, and you're going to choose the watercolor you're gonna need. These are the colors that I have prepared, some that I already have here that I was using something else, and those 3 colors that I just added, which are 2 different shades of red, orange, little blue here, and purple in this one. I have 2 pots of water. That's the one that I will be washing my brush every time that I need to change color, and the other one in case that I need extra water. Watercolor brushes. And then we can start. We are going to start by painting the edges, which is the water. Remember that you're not going to achieve the darker colors at first, so make sure you are being patient by adding the first layer, okay? And then you wait, and then if you need to make it darker, you're going to do this at the end. So now I'm gonna let my blue color dry so I can work on something else. Then the next bit that we are going to do, we are going to use the purple to color those mountains, okay? So same thing, I'm going to start by applying the darker colors at the very edge. If it gets too watery, then you can use a piece of tissue to clean, okay? It's not good if it is running water because it can damage the part that you have already painted. So I'm going to redo it. So you're going to repeat the same process to paint the other colors that are not mixed. Perhaps this mountain over here that goes from dark green to purple. This one we are going to do after. So for now, you're just going to paint the mountains that have the same color, okay? I can paint the colors that meet with other colors such as those mountains, okay? So here I'm going to start with the green. Okay, so now we can blend the colors. Here is going to go from green to purple and to pink at the very end, and here from blue to purple, and this part over here from purple to orange, okay? And the same here from green to purple. So let's do it. To paint the vegetation. So first I'm going to paint everything that it is in green. So now that I have most of my piece of paper covered, I'm going to work on highlighting the colors. Okay, now you can apply the second layer. Once it is totally dry, you can, where it's supposed to be darker, you're going to apply a little bit of more painting and try to blend as much as you can, okay? So now that we are back and everything's dry, the top part is going to go from black to a very dark blue, and the bottom part of this line is going to be sort of like an ivory color, white color, okay? So I'm going to paint the white color first, and then I'm gonna start to dry again, and then after I'm gonna move up to paint the black color, alright? Okay, now we wait for the white to be dry. We are gonna work on making the edges of the mountain a little bit darker, right? So you can choose the same colors but in a darker shade to do that. So now that we have painted everything and highlighted some of the colors, I'm going to start painting black from here to the end, okay? Remembering that you need to add a little blue on the bottom here, okay? I'll try to show you what I'm doing. so I think this should be the end of it. Please comment so we know what you think about it, or if you have any questions and you'd like me to give you tips with anything, just please let me know. I hope you liked it. Bye!